let's try holiday drinks. First stop is 7 Brew. Okay, so the first stop was 7 Brew.
So this is the Santa's cookie mocha.
Yeah.
And then I got a sugar cookie shake.
I'm so like excited, but I'm nervous because coffee gives me anxieties. Okay, wait, on 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That's good.
Yeah, it is good.
It's real good. What's yours?
So I give mine about like a 7. I give it a 7.
I give mine, I'll say like an 8.5 out of 10. It kind of reminds me a little bit of butterscotch.
Okay. You want to try mine?
Not really.
Oh, this is good. That's so good. I wish I would have got that.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh, that was so good. I'm so jealous. All right, on to the next spot.